With our step-by-step learning approach, you'll build a solid foundation in AI concepts and algorithms, starting from the basics and progressing towards advanced topics. Step 1. Understand the fundamentals. Start with mathematics, statistics, and programming basics. Learn programming languages like Python or R, commonly used in data science and ML. Step 2. Explore data science. Study data analysis techniques, data visualization, and exploratory data analysis. Gain knowledge of data pre-processing, feature selection, and feature engineering. Step 3. Dive into machine learning. Learn different types of machine learning algorithms, supervised and unsupervised learning. Understand regression, classification, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. Step 4. Understand deep learning. Delve into neural networks, deep learning architectures, and frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Learn about convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and generative adversarial networks. Step 5. Master AI concepts. Study natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. Explore applications like chatbots, image recognition, and recommendation systems. Step 6. Work on real-world projects. Apply your knowledge to practical projects involving data analysis, ML models, and AI applications. Throughout the course, you'll engage in hands-on projects that simulate real-world scenarios, allowing you to apply your knowledge and sharpen your skills. As you progress, you'll explore practical applications of AI, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive modeling, gaining the ability to create intelligent solutions that make a real impact. This course is structured into modules, with each module comprising theory lessons and problem-solving exercises. Our cloud-based IDE provides you with a platform to practice these problems, facilitating the strengthening of your fundamental concepts. Additionally, the course features stage exams designed to assess your grasp of the material covered at various points throughout the course. Finally, to conclude the course, there will be a comprehensive course completion exam. This systematic approach ensures that you build a robust understanding of the subject matter while also providing clear milestones to track your progress. So are you ready to embark your career in the data science? Register now.
Hebeon, Beyond Careers.